Making compositions. I haven't slept in days. I tried everything, but I couldn't find the perfect composition until the light came to me. Let's create a quick composition in Blender. But unlike many composition tutorials that we see out there, today we are going to use the principle of the graphic shader with the projection of image to achieve a faster result. In other words, let's join two cheap tricks. First, find a picture of scenario, default furniture. Let's use the fSpy app to get the coordinates together. Use the fSpy plugin in Blender to import the camera used. Now you have a scene with the same perspective as the photo. Create a cube, tear off the front face, and do a project from view unwrap. Adjust a UV in the editor. Place subdivision and bevel modifiers to resolve the projection distortion. Now connect this diffuse texture to the graphic shader. Use the color ramp to adjust the contrast. Now let's get some characters in MIxamo. Put some animations on them to create storytelling. If you need props, get some from Turbosquid, CG Trader or other site that has CC resources. Place your assets on the scene, access your materials, and turn on the diffuse map into the graphic shader. This will make everything black and white. Now position your lamps and cameras and BAM! We have graphic compositions ready for storyboards and proposals. This graphic shader is available at my Gumroad, link in the description.